Hello friends, praise the Lord. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. So friends, my name is Prakash and you are watching Prakash Babu Production. So friends, today through this channel I am gonna share you about our knowledge about our church. So friends, without delay, let's start today's video. So friends, this is our beautiful church. It is God blessing because we have got such a beautiful church, and this is our boundary, and here we have planted mango plant. So friends, actually now we don't have grotto. We are deciding about that also. So friends, here you can see, and now let me show you inside view, friends. So friends, here you can see inside view is like that. So friends, this is our inside view. Here you can see, friends, and actually we don't have toilet. Now it is also is in progress. Here you can see, this is our toilet. Working is going on. So friends, now you can see this is our garden, flower garden. We have planted many flowers here. You can see, friends, this is our beautiful flower garden. Here you can see.